Welcome to our channel, where we believe that anyone can live a happier, more fulfilling life with the power of meditation. In today's video, we're going to show you how to get started with this life-changing practice. Why meditate? Meditation has been practiced for thousands of years, with countless benefits for the mind, body, and spirit. From reducing stress and improving focus, to increasing self-awareness and promoting overall well-being, it's a powerful tool that can transform your life. How to meditate. So how do you start meditating? First, find a quiet, peaceful place where you feel comfortable and relaxed. Sit with your back straight and your feet firmly planted on the ground, and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Next, choose a focus point for your meditation. This could be your breath, a word or phrase, or even a visual image. The idea is to bring your mind to a single point of focus and let go of any distractions or thoughts that may arise. As you begin to meditate, it's important to remember that it's a practice. There's no right or wrong way to do it. If you find your mind wandering, simply observe the thought and then let it go, returning your focus to your point of meditation. Benefits of meditation. The benefits of meditation are many. It can help reduce stress and anxiety, improve concentration and focus, increase self-awareness and self-esteem, and promote feelings of overall wellness and inner peace. Thank you for watching this video on how to meditate. Remember, meditation is a practice, and it takes time and effort to experience the full benefits. But with consistent practice, you can transform your life and live with greater joy, calm, and compassion. We hope you are inspired to try meditation for yourself and explore its power to heal, transform, and uplift your life. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and inspiration on living your best life.